Physically, the Meross MSP844 is designed like something that belongs in a serious home setup. It offers 4 full-size sockets with generous spacing, along with integrated USB charging ports that eliminate the need for separate adapters. What elevates the build is the clear focus on safety and durability. Meross positions the strip as a heavy-duty power solution with CE and TUV certification, fire retardant housing rated for extreme resistance, and overload protection designed for long-term reliability. The strip is engineered to handle up to 16 ampere loads, meaning it is not only for phone chargers and desk lamps, but also for more demanding appliances that require stable power delivery. Meross emphasizes durability through full plug-in testing and robust internal wiring, which gives the kind of confidence you want from something that will sit permanently in your home, quietly managing multiple devices every day. The real value of the MSP844 reveals itself not in setup, but in daily life. This is the kind of product that makes sense the moment you place it on a desk or in an entertainment setup. This is not only a power strip, but also a charging station, reducing cable clutter and eliminating the constant hunt for adapters. In everyday use, the strip becomes a kind of silent upgrade that makes a home feel more organized. Your phone charges quickly, your tablet stays topped up, your desk becomes cleaner, and your appliances become controllable through automation routines rather than manual switches.